Big announcement. I am leaving the XRP Army. Let's get it. I'm not a financial advisor. Welcome to Ben Armstrong Crypto X. Don't just trade crypto, experience it. Just got done sparring. Bloody the guy's nose. That was cool. Also, I almost died. So there you go. But what I would like to say is that I am making an announcement here. Making an announcement. It's an announcement I never thought I would make. I am leaving my post as the Master and Commander of the XRP Army. The XRP Army no longer needs me at all. I've got other communities that really do need me. I am the Sultan of Solana, as everyone knows. Solana soldiers. Okay, gang. Guys, I'm obviously the chairman of the Bitcoin Foundation. I am also leading the Bitcoin Hex Coalition, where we are gonna single-handedly or double-handedly force crypto adoption. I've got too many communities I gotta take care of. And I don't think it's fair for me to continue to pretend to be the leader of the XRP Army, because I never was, and I'm not now. However, I am still in the XRP Army. You guys do not get me wrong. What I've decided is that, guys, I'm going to stop pretending to be the leaders of communities that don't need leaders. XRP does not need a leader, okay? You guys have John Deaton. You guys have Brad Garlinghouse, duh. You guys have all the people from Ripple. You have, look, all those guys. Blackberry guy, I can't remember. XRP Productions. Yeah, I like these people. These are all good people. I'm leaving a lot of them out because I've been more unplugged from the XRP community because the price has been stagnant, which sucks. It's killing me. And the thing is I really, now the SEC case is over pretty much against XRP. I want everybody to really understand what I'm saying. As I'm going through this transition in my career, where I'm not doing the live show now. There are some communities, the Hex community, the Solana community, the meme coin community out there, the Bitcoin community. Obviously, they need a leader, and they need somebody to give them the daily crypto news, or maybe somebody can step in that role. I guess I'm just not the best at it anymore. And I'm really to a point where I just kind of want to stop pretending and just be a regular person in crypto. Still going to obviously make videos, but I don't, guys. XRP is going to make it. Y'all have already done it. Y'all don't need a leader. By the end of this bull run, this thing is going to be at a very high amount. There's no doubt about that. I really wanted you guys in the XRP Army to understand what I'm saying here. Okay. We have the ETF coming up. We got the IPO coming up, and I am going to be there, and we are going to be covering it. I want everybody to understand this is not going to affect the way I cover XRP at all. We are still going to cover XRP on this channel probably more than any other coin because this community thrives, thirsts. Y'all thirsty for this content. And I wish you guys would get a little thirstier for steak. That's right. Doesn't make sense because you think you get hungry for steak. Not quite. You actually get thirsty for steak. That's right, because you want those gains that you can get with an account. You can get on the QR code on the screen or the link in the description. That's right, guys. You already know the Ben Armstrong Crypto X Show powered by steak. You already know. Steak and armpit hair, apparently. But I really want you guys to understand, like, there's going to be no change. I'm just going to stop referring to myself as the Master and Commander of the XRP. And along with that, that means that when XRP finally, guys, I want you guys to really understand why I'm doing this. There's one reason and one reason why I'm actually doing this. Because I know that as soon as I denounce in any way XRP, the price is going to go up. I know it. I just know it. And that's how it works. Guys, I'm not dumb. I know what's happening. And so the point is this here, people will look back and they will make memes of this video. Because they won't include the whole video. They will just include the part where I say I'm no longer the Master and Commander of XRP Army. XRP is about to shoot through the moon. Then people are going to go back and they're going to take this thumbnail and this title where I say I'm out on XRP. I'm giving up on the XRP Army. Whatever the title says. I haven't decided yet, the clickbait title. And what's going to happen is people are going to make a chart where they're going to show the price of XRP go up. They're going to take this thumbnail and they're going to use it and say, this was the catalyst. Ben Armstrong stabbing down from the XRP Army is the master and commander. That was the sign. Guys, reversal. I want you to know I care deeply about each and every one of you. If you're in the XRP Army, and by the way, if you want to join our Hex Bitcoin coalition where we're forcing crypto adoption, you're in the XRP Army and you're like, I use XRPL. Maybe you're like, I don't use XRPL. But you're like, I got all this money in Ripple and I'm not really using XRP. Let's go teach people how to use crypto and then maybe it'll make my bags worth more down the road. Okay? So I want you guys to understand I'm doing this for the meme. And I'm doing this for you. But this is actually legit. I'm no longer the master and commander of the XRP Army. We're not doing the show right now. So I hear there's some rumblings. People want the show to come back. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But there's a lot of people talking about it. A lot of people have been asking me. When I miss the show, I do. But at the same time, it just doesn't seem like people really want the show anymore. So if people wanted the show, then I would continue to do it. But the numbers don't reflect that. So it is what it is, and it's sad. But I hope, if I was still doing the show, I would of course do an XRP segment every single day, like I always did. But I hope that this will go down as a moment in history where the master and commander of the XRP Army sacrificed himself, his role, and his position for the price of XRP to go up. I want you guys to remember this date. Remember this date, February the 10th. I don't have any way to confirm that. I believe today is February the 10th. 2/10/24. The bottom of XRP. I am serious about this. I am going to stop referring to myself as that. I'm not kidding. But guys, I do believe everything I said. I think the price is going to go up. I think this is the move that I had to make. Put out this thumbnail and this title that says I'm leaving XRP, and I'm really not, but I am giving up my post as the master and commander of the XRP Army. That may never have been legit. I'm doing this for you guys. I want you guys to know that. Okay, we got another video coming later tonight. If you want to check out me sparring, I bloodied a guy's nose, but I got hit pretty hard today a couple times. It is what it is. Training went a little bit better, but man, I tell you what, you'll just have to watch it a little bit later and find out. Hit the like button on your way out. That's how we keep the lights on.